Hello friends, today we'll discuss about a very important topic of chemical kinetics, that is rate of a chemical reaction. Now what is rate of a chemical reaction? Rate is generally denoted by R. Now let us take a chemical reaction. A gives product. For this reaction, a rate of the reaction is denoted by change in molar concentration of A in dt second. That is, the change in concentration of the reactant per unit time is called a rate of the reaction. Now, what is the unit of rate of the reaction? Now, the concentration term, that is molar concentration term, unit mole liter inverse, and time has unit second. So the unit of rate is mole liter inverse second inverse. Now, rate of a chemical reaction is classified in two different categories. One is called instantaneous rate, another is called average rate. Let us define first what is instantaneous rate of a reaction, then we will discuss average rate of reaction. First, instantaneous rate. The change in concentration of the reactant at a particular moment of the reaction is called instantaneous rate of the reaction at that moment. It is a very unique definition of instantaneous rate of reaction. Instantaneous reaction is the rate of the reaction at a particular moment of the reaction. It is denoted by dx dt. Just like the rate of the reaction, instantaneous rate of the reaction is also denoted by dx dt. Now, what is average rate? Let us consider a reaction where A gives products. Now, when time is 0, the concentration of A is small a, and after time t, the concentration of A is A minus x. So, the average rate of the reaction is R equal to delta x divided by delta t. Now, what is delta x? Delta x is equal to change in concentration of reactant, and what is delta t? Delta t is the time required to change the concentration of the reactant in delta x amount. That is, delta t is equal to time. So, the reaction is carried out for a certain period of time, that is delta t, and the change in concentration of the reactant is delta x. Then average rate of the reaction is delta x divided by delta t. This is all about rate of a chemical reaction. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.